Make a meal with me. Have a yummy meal with me. Make a meal with me. Come and make a meal with me. Make a meal with me. Have a yummy meal with me. Make a meal with me. Come and make a meal with me. Hi, hello, hola, bonjour, konnichiwa. My name is Ashley and welcome to my cooking channel where we will not only be enjoying foods but have fun doing so. Now, I know it's getting warm out. You know it's time to bring out that big pot, boil some seasoning, some corn, sausage, potatoes, crawfish, shrimp, whatever it is. But the meal that we're going to be making today, making a honey garlic shrimp with a baked potato topped with creamy shrimp. I know that sounds like a lot, but trust me, it is a lot, and I promise you, your belly will be satisfied to the highest extent. Okay, so I picked this meal today just because I truly am a seafood lover. I pick it over any other protein within the food pyramid. Seafood is my soulmate. You know, I see it at a restaurant, we lock eyes. See it in my refrigerator, we lock eyes. See it in a seafood boil, lock eyes. See it on my plate, it look at me, I look at it, we lock eyes. So that's why I picked seafood today. There's also other reasons why I picked this dish, because garlic helps lower cholesterol. It also regulates blood pressure and blood sugar levels. And for our shrimp and salmon, those proteins contain omega-3 fatty acids, which also helps prevent heart disease. So if you didn't know, now you know now. Now, in order to make this dish, we need to get our ingredients first. All right, y'all know what time it is. It's time to make this meal. First, we need to get our salmon, of course, and then our garlic, our lemon, our cayenne pepper, some water, honey, lemon juice, black pepper, sea salt, and extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to move right along to our little baked potato. Of course, you're going to need your potatoes, garlic, shrimp, Old Bay, seasonal, half and half, some chicken broth, extra virgin olive oil again, sea salt, black pepper, your choice of cheese. I chose Parmesan, and some butter. Okay, so in order to wake your kitchen up, you need to preheat your oven. And we're going to preheat our oven to 350. And then we're going to wash our potatoes thoroughly. I didn't show it, but I most definitely did scrub these. Then you want to use your weapon of choice. And you want to stab your potatoes. Just put little holes in it just so that it can kind of breathe when it's baking. And then you're going to go ahead and put those potatoes right in the oven, and you're going to put it in the oven for an hour. I know, an hour, but guess what? We have an hour to waste because we about to make more food. So we got to season our shrimp, and we're going to season it with salt, Old Bay, seasonal, and pepper. Then we're going to cut up our 6 cloves of garlic for the creamy shrimp. Next, we're going to season our salmon, and I know it looks like I didn't season them that well, and that's because I didn't. I was a little skeptical on overdoing it due to the fact that we are putting a sauce over it, but trust me, season it regularly. So next, we're going to be making our sauce for the salmon, and that will consist of honey, lemon juice, water, and some salt. And the salmon needs 3 cloves of garlic, so we're going to mince that up. And don't forget to cut up your lemon wedges. So now we're going to cook our shrimp, and we're going to coat the pan with olive oil first. And once the pan is hot enough, we're going to place our shrimp in and let it cook. I would say let the shrimp cook like 3 minutes 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Honestly, truly doesn't really take long to cook shrimp. But yeah, just watch it until it turns pink. So your scrimps so look like this. But you're gonna put them in another bowl and then go right back to that pan with the juices kept in it to add butter and garlic and let that sizzle until a beautiful aroma of garlic fills the kitchen. Once that is done, you want to add your chicken broth and bring that to a boil and let it reduce. Next, you want to add your cream or half and half and your cheese. Stir that and bring it to a little bit of a boil also. And then add your shrimp. Don't forget to turn the heat off when you add your shrimp back into the pan with the sauce. Also, season it to taste. Now we're going to move on to our salmon, and we're going to do the same thing like we did with our shrimp. We're going to coat the pan with olive oil, wait till that heats up, and simply place our salmon in and let it cook. And I let it cook for like, I want to say 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Y'all, the food was popping me for real. Turn down that heat if it's popping you too much, or if it's just, sizzling a little too loud. I don't know the indications for when to heat up too high, but just, well, I do, but I know it visually, not auditorially. But anyways, put your garlic sauce and lemon slices in the pan with your salmon and cover it. And now we're going to broil our salmon. In here, I kind of just waterboarded the salmon, just just a little bit, just get them a little drenched. I'm gonna give my little quick review. for my dish, and I want to start out with giving myself a 4 out of 5. I'm going to start with the salmon. The salmon was pretty good. The only thing I had a problem with it was the fact that it was dry, and I don't know if it's because I had the pan up too high when I was cooking it, or it's because I broiled it too long. Not really sure, but the salmon was well coated within the sauce that was made for it, and it wasn't like the whole thing wasn't dry. It was just like some of it was dry. So it was just that one little factor that I do want to change next time I make this dish. I actually did make it again the very next day. The only thing I changed was, instead of lemon juice, I used apple cider vinegar, and I feel as though using apple cider vinegar was better than using the lemons, because even though we already put like lemon slices within the pan while cooking the salmon, the apple cider vinegar is a little sweet and lemon is sour, so it's like having that lemon slice and lemon juice did it probably, I mean, I wouldn't say it like did anything drastic, but you know, it's that sour, which also does help seafood. Lemons do help seafood, what you call it, help enhance the taste and flavor. But I guess with the apple cider vinegar, it did a little bit of more work, because the apple cider vinegar was a little bit, you know, sweet, and it kind of went with the honey garlic sauce. Moving on to the loaded baked potato. Loaded baked potato was bomb.com. Oh my goodness, y'all. Bomb.com. Mashed potatoes and that creamy shrimp stuff on top was just, it was really good. Also, you can really plate this with salad. You can plate this with broccoli. You can plate it with, what's another vegetable? Because that's all I really eat, to be honest, which is really sad. Like, I eat about anything. Oh, you know what you can eat it with? You can eat it with like a zucchini, like, what is it? Because I do like me some zucchini, like baked zucchini fries. I was originally going to do that, but I was on a time limit. I can only do so much. So that is just a couple of suggestions, and yeah, the dish was pretty good. With all this being said, I still give my dish a 4 out of 5, and it still was delicious to me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully your bellies are satisfied like I told you it would be in the beginning of this video. You probably won't even see this part of the video. You probably have an itis by now from eating the yummy food. But if you do have any comments, questions, or tips, please put it in the comment section. I do read everything that you guys put down there. It really does help knowing what helps, what's like different things I can do that can help with my technique, or to have a better outcome with the taste, quality of food. Share it with somebody who needs an idea to make a plate for dinner or for lunch or even for breakfast. Who knows? And subscribe if you want to keep making meals with me. I have fun doing it. Hopefully you're having fun too. Also, hopefully it's putting a smile not only on your face but also in your belly. And that is it. Be safe, have a good one, and enjoy all the meals that we will be making in the future.